Welcome back to another video from The Idea Behind. Every week from now on, we will showcase some remarkable works from talented people. In today's video, we're about to witness something absolutely wild. Watch as we transform this rusty old moped scooter into a beastly electric bike, powerful enough to carry not just one, not two, but 7 people. So grab a comfy seat, maybe some popcorn, and buckle up for a thrilling ride filled with creativity, engineering, and a healthy dash of madness. First things first, let's tear this old scooter apart piece by piece, bolt by bolt. Think of it like surgery, but way cooler and without all that medical school debt. Now we've got our key electrical components ready: a BLDC motor controller and a DC-DC converter. Before these parts get their moment to shine, we need to reshape this bike according to our epic blueprint. From the frame, we'll remove the front wheel assembly, including the handlebars and suspension, as one neat package. The rear wheel, though, requires a bit more attention. Each part gets carefully dismantled one by one, giving us a clean canvas for our next move. Enter the DIY enthusiast's favorite building blocks: steel rectangular tubes. These hollow metal marvels are perfect for crafting a sturdy vehicle frame. They're strong, versatile, and easy to weld. But remember, safety first. Always wear protective masks while welding. Those intense sparks and bright lights aren't exactly easy on the eyes. Next up, we separate the handlebars from the wheel system, prepping them to be welded securely onto our new custom frame. A little trim here and there at the frame's rear end makes way for the original scooter's wheel components to slot neatly back into place. This sort of work takes some serious mechanical know-how, and thankfully, the homemade creative team has tons of that. These guys don't just build, they innovate, repurpose, and create magic from mechanical parts and electronic gadgets. Subscribe and check their other projects if you're hungry for more clever DIY ideas. Time for the seating arrangement. We're using this sturdy wooden board as the main passenger seat. Let's wrap it nicely with a stylish cover to give our e-bike a sleek and polished look. We'll also create robust joints to securely attach the seat onto the bike frame. Passenger comfort is key, so we're crafting custom foot pegs from cut steel tube sections. Every bike needs a reliable side stand to keep it steady when parked, especially one designed to hold multiple passengers. So, let's craft a strong, trustworthy side stand for stability. Additionally, passengers sitting behind the driver will get their own handlebars, crafted from durable T-shaped steel pipes. Add a bit of wood to these hollow tubes for a comfy, secure grip, and passengers are ready to ride in comfort. Now let's talk electronics. We'll outfit our e-bike with essential gadgets, including a digital speedometer, brushless DC motor controller, and a DC-DC converter. In simple terms, the motor controller manages speed, torque, and direction precisely, while the converter ensures efficient power distribution throughout the system. Powering this beast is a hefty 48-volt battery boasting an impressive 30 ampere-hour capacity, guaranteeing both long rides and reliable performance. With the electronic components securely mounted, let's carefully wire everything up. Precision here ensures every component works flawlessly together. Next, we install the remaining vital controls: accelerator, clutch, brake levers, and a horn. You wouldn't want to ride 7 deep without being able to honk your way through traffic, right? But wait, there's more. We're adding a specially crafted frame extension to support solar panels. This clever addition not only generates clean electricity, but also provides passengers some much-needed shade. A solar controller efficiently channels energy from the panels directly into the battery, keeping us cruising longer on renewable power. With seats bolted down and final tweaks complete, our 7-seater solar-powered electric beast is finally ready. What do you think? Ready to see this crazy creation in action? Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's ride!